As you're waking up and getting things started this Monday morning, also Veterans Day, a peaceful look outside. Our Barry log camera as some traffic starts up there along 9th and Nebraska Parkway. Taking a live look outside our Barry log camera, really not a cloud in the sky. Here's a look at the temperatures that'll greet you as you first step outside here today. Slipping into the 30s in some spots. You'll notice some lower 40s out there in southeast Nebraska as well. Lincoln at the airport seeing a little bit cooler air kind of pool out toward the airport, but it's not that cold everywhere in Lincoln. Lower 40s really across town. 36 though in Beatrice and Hebron. You'll notice lower 40s out to the west. Looking at York and Aurora, around 40 in Aurora, Hastings and Kearney. Just 38 degrees in Grand Island. That's a little bit warmer than we should be at this time of the year. Actual average low temperatures slip into the upper 20s tomorrow morning, but nowhere near that as we're starting out the next couple mornings. Temperatures this afternoon warming up into the lower and middle 50s. This is slightly cooler than the 60s we saw over the weekend. A weak cold front really making its way north to south this morning. And we'll see winds pick up a little bit more later in the morning hours, in the afternoon, talking gusts that could be around 15 to 20 miles per hour out of the north, keeping things cool today. But the winds will start to really pick up tomorrow ahead of a warm front that's working its way through the state. We'll see those gusts pick up similar to what Saturday felt like, with gusts around 30 to 35 miles per hour. But out there right now, very quiet across southeast Nebraska, really statewide, very quiet. A few more clouds grazing the South Dakota border in northwest Nebraska. But other than that, the cloud cover will stay north today into northeast Nebraska by this afternoon. Most of us seeing a lot of sunshine to honor veterans on Veterans Day this Monday. Behind the warm front, it'll be here in central Nebraska by tomorrow morning. There will be some increase in cloud cover behind that. And then we'll actually notice some scattered showers develop late Tuesday and into Wednesday morning across eastern Nebraska. These will be intermittent throughout the day and throughout the afternoon, and really even throughout the evening. It won't be until about 9-10 o'clock, I think, by Wednesday night that we'll start to see some clearing in the rain and some of the cloud cover. So not looking at a lot of rain, but some scattered showers that will impact much of the day on Wednesday. Keep things a little bit cooler by then as well. Talk about the 50s, because other than that, we're sunny and in the 60s throughout this week upcoming. Do have to keep a close eye. I know it's still 9-10 days out, so take this with a grain of salt. But we will be tracking another system that may be slipping in some wintry precipitation in the form of some mix, a wintry mix, and maybe even a transition over to snow looking at next Wednesday. So something we'll be keeping an eye on here in the near future.